I can trim this or I can leave it. I'm just gonna leave it, but I will trim this. Okay, so I'll come back with a ball tool. Kind of get all that in there where those eyes are, just so it's secure. Go up here a bit. Just go really gently till you can get right in that. If you go too much too fast, then you tend to tear it. You don't want to do that. Okay, I can see that there's like an air pocket right in here. Something a little funky right here. Just trying to pull his lip down a little bit, bring it out a little, and then go back and smooth. Okay, I think that'll work. I think it'll work. I thought I'd give him a few little lines so he's got like his forehead here. And then maybe some little lines here on his. Okay, I think I'll leave it at that because I don't want to mess it up anymore. Okay, now we need to figure out the hat. All right, so we're going to do a brim on the hat, so that'll be about here, and then the hat above that. So we're going to go to modeling chocolate, so let me go get that. Okay, we're going to work on the hat. I have a whole bunch of the cereal treats here kind of just wrapped all together. And what I want to do is flatten it a little bit, and then I want to scrunch at the base. I want it to be wider at the top. So I'm actually going to kind of, what I'm doing is, you can see I'm kind of pulling that out a little bit. Pinching the top. So the bottom here is going to have to like open it up because it's going to have to like come down and around here. Once I can let go, I can kind of work this a little bit more. And I just want to watch the wrinkling here. Just going to kind of see the brim would be there. I think that's going to work. I think it's going to work. Yeah, it's going to work. Okay, so let me take some shortening, pop some shortening on here. You can put, I'm going to be wrapping modeling chocolate around it. You could use buttercream instead of shortening if you think someone's going to actually, eat the hat so that they're not biting into all the shortening. Okay, so I'm going to take the dark modeling chocolate. And I want to roll this out. Roll the cornstarch down so it doesn't stick. And I'm actually going, I need to do that again because I'm going, I need to go like longer. I'm going to put a separate piece on the top. So, you know what, it's actually better if I do that first, come to think of it. All right, so let me do more of a circle. Pick that up, pop that on top. And then remove the excess. Now we'll go ahead and roll out.